Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Sunday, August 11th, 2024. Hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and let's get started. So, Friday, it was, it was a positive day, but it was really just kind of boring. We went sideways really this entire time here. So the moves that we've seen, the off of here, I'm still looking at it as an A, B, C move, but it's leaving the door open that we could see a push up somewhere into this 5,400, possibly even up to the 5,450 level. So this would be the wave C, and again, it would really just be constructive for the bears, because they're going to be making a bear flag at the bottom of this entire move right here. So even if we were just looking at, say, an A, wherever this tops out, let's say it goes up here, so we'd be looking at an A, and then once this finishes, this is going to be the B, and then the extensions are going to be going down, and most likely, again, we're going to be looking at some downside targets right around that 40, they're right around the 5,000 level. I believe there's going to be buyers waiting there. 50-80, we have the 200-day moving average, but again, off of this, it's a, we're having a nice bounce off of these lows, but it seems like they're a little tepid right here. But even with the, saying that I'm anticipating that we could come down here, it's really overall, it's a bearish sequence within a bullish sequence, meaning that once this makes the low, which it could be anywhere down near these areas testing the previous lows, and it holds, we're probably then looking for the, the next move up, and that will go, I would probably be thinking sometime, after October or something like that, and then we just start the year-end rally, the Santa rally. So that would make sense. But right now, we still may need some work on the upside to actually finish this little bounce right here. Here you can see we have the 50-day moving average. That's at 5,403. So this is going to be, we have price resistance here. You have the moving average there, and we also have this channel that's pointing here. So you can see why I'm leaning towards, a move coming up to this 5,400 level, and, maybe even going a little bit higher than that. But once that completes, that's when I believe we're going to, we're going to start looking at the next move down. And, like I said, I mean, if we can make it through the resistance areas, then maybe this is the low. I'm not going to fight that. But right now, I'm looking at it as an ABC. If this is proven wrong, then we just switch to just buying the dips. But right now, I still think volatility is here, and I don't think they're going to be able to sweep this under the rug. There's just too much geopolitical issues out there for, the market just to be overly confident in one thing, because if for some reason, God forbid, we start World War III, it's not going to be good for the markets at first. It's usually you have a very, very fast, almost market crash, or a very hard drop, and it's kind of similar to what we had saw, but and that was not even an actual war. That's what I'm saying. If something was to happen where missiles were going, yeah, we're going to see a 10-15% market hiccup in a very, very fast manner. So I do believe for that reason we're going to have the VIX that's going to kind of stay sticky, and with that, as long as the VIX can stay near that 20 or in that range right there, you got to expect that we're going to get some pretty big moves both up and down. So that's really about it. On the upside, if the bulls can stay above these levels right here, this little gap right here at the 53.51, which you can see we tested it there, but if they get it above, then assume that we're coming up to the 5,400, 5,421 level. Remember, we have the 50-day moving average that's at 5,403. 5,403, and that's almost where the gap fill is. So that's why I'm thinking we're going to continue up here, and then once that completes, we're either going to come down and test these lows, or they're going to come up to the 55.50, and then from there it's going to be a coin toss on who's going to be right. Is it going to be an ABC move, and we already completed the wave 4, so this would make the bulls right? It doesn't really feel like that, but I mean, that's a chance on it. And the other one would be, if we just made an ABC of an A, we're making the B, and now we're going to come down and make the wave C. That would fit like I said, it would give this time, the market time to kind of relax and digest the move that we've made, and start positioning itself with, expectations that the Fed may cut a half a percent or something like that. It's not, the Fed really shouldn't be controlling this. It should be, supply, demand, as well as, the fundamentals. Are the companies overvalued, or are they undervalued? So it's going to, it's going to be some pretty volatile markets in coming up. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you guys in the morning.